Hello students, welcome to the next video of coordinate geometry class. First we start Brahmanath. शांति शांति शांति. Susto. Today we will discuss different form of equation of line and its problem. In previous class we discussed about what is equation of line in slope intercept form, slope point form, intercept form. Okay, you know the equation of the line in slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y-interceptor. Slope point form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So m is the slope of the line and this line passing through the point x1 comma y1. 2-point form, equation of the line passing through 2 point x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And intercept form, equation of the line whose x intercept is a and y intercept is b is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. So now one question, find the equation of the line passing through the point 4 comma 3 and making intercept on the coordinate axis whose sum is minus 1. Okay. Okay. So here we find the equation of the line passing through the point 4 comma 3 and making intercept on the coordinate axis whose sum is minus 1. Okay. First we take the equation of the line in intercept form, because here the sum of intercept on the coordinate axis is a minus 1. That's why we take the equation of the line in intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. Let equation of line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a is the x intercept and b is the y intercept. So this is the coordinate axis and this is the intercept form of the line whose x intercept is the origin, x intercept is a and y intercept is b. So capital A be the intercept x on coordinate axis and b be the y intercept. Okay. So here the coordinate of a equal to a comma 0 and the coordinate of b 0 comma b. This line passing through the point 4 comma 3. Suppose this is a point 4 comma 3. Okay. 4 comma 3. Since this line passing through 4 comma 3, that means this point must be satisfied this equation. So 4 by a plus 3 by b equal to 1. Okay. And sum of the intercept on the coordinate axis is minus 1. Here a plus b equal to minus 1. That means b equal to minus 1 minus a. Substitute the value of a. So 4 by minus 1 minus a plus, okay, sorry. So 4 by a ,3 by b means minus 1 minus a equal to 1. So take it LCM. So a into एटा में माइनस टी कॉमन नहीं जो दैट इम्प्लाइड 4 by a minus 3 by a plus 1 equal to 1, that implied take it LCM a into a plus 1 तो 4 इंटू ए प्लस 1 माइनस 3a इक्वल टू 1. तो 4a प्लस 4 माइनस 3a इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए है. तो 4a माइनस 3a दिस इज a प्लस 4 इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए है. देन ए स्क्वायर ए कैंसल दैट इम्प्लाइड ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4. तो ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 मीन्स ए इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 2. Therefore b equal to okay for a equal to 2, for a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1 minus 2, this is minus 3. For a equal to minus 2, then b equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 and which is equal to 1 है. Therefore equation of line is x by a x by 2 plus y by b b means minus 3 equal to 1 and other x by a means minus 2 plus y by b means 1 equal to 1. Okay. So this is the required equation of the line whose sum of the intercept equal to minus 1 है ना. 2 minus 3 रखे तो सम ना minus 1 है ना. minus 2 plus its sum is also minus 1. Do you understand? Next form of the equation is a normal form. Next find the equation of the line in a normal form, that is known as the perpendicular form. Okay. So normal form, find the equation of the line, find equation of line in normal form whose perpendicular distance from origin to the line, whose perpendicular distance from origin to line is small p and normal and makes an angle and the perpendicular line makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x axis, okay. So we find the equation of line in the normal form whose perpendicular distance from origin to the line is p and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x axis. First we draw this figure. This is known as a coordinate axis x o x dash and this is y o y dash. Suppose this is the normal form of the equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from origin to the line. तो origin to line प्रति गोटे perpendicular draw करो. Okay. तो capital N be the foot of the perpendicular on the line. So its distance is small p. ये जो perpendicular टा तुम draw करियो origin to line आडू को यार distance देती small p and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x axis. So what is its equation? Okay. Suppose capital A be the point on x intercept and capital B be the point on y intercept. So OA is the x intercept and OB is the y intercept of the line. Answer. Let OA be the x intercept and OB be the y-intercept of a line, of required line, required line. Okay, so equation of the line, equation of line is x by OA plus y by OB equal to 1. Okay, let it be equation 1. P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line, and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha. Okay, so in the right angle triangle, ONA, okay, so in that triangle AN be the perpendicular side, and OA down to the hypotenuse, and NA with the perpendicular. So in that triangle, this is known as hypotenuse and this is known as perpendicular. Alpha ro opposite side ta abo perpendicular, eta hochi right angle na, right angle opposite side hochi hypotenuse, eta hochi tamaro base hala. So eta hochi tamaro h hypotenuse, and this is a perpendicular and this is a base. So hypotenuse और base भितर relation कौन, cos, we find a cos. So in the right hand triangle ONA, cos alpha equal to base by hypotenuse b by h. तो base होची ON hypotenuse होची OA. Okay, so ON means P, here P is the perpendicular distance by OA, that implied OA equal to P by cos alpha. Then in that triangle OBN, so this is 90 degree also, this is 90 degree, it has a total 90 degree, so this angle is 90 minus alpha, 90 degree minus alpha. So 90 minus alpha la, it is 90, so this angle must be an alpha. Okay, so in the right angle triangle, ONB, right angle triangle ONB, देखो एटा होची अल्फा अछि, सो अल्फा रो ऑपोजिट साइड होची परपेंडिकुलर, एटा होची हाइपोटेन्यूस, एटा होची तमरो बेस. ओके, तो हमगु ओबी डा दरकार. ओबी मींस एटा होची कोन, एटा होची परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, एटा होची परपेंडिकुलर ना हाइपोटेन्यूस, एटा होची बेस. सो एटा गिवन अछि, एटा आनिया पड़ियो. तो H आउ perpendicular, hypotenuse आउ perpendicular, we find sine. So in the triangle, in right hand triangle ONB, in the right hand triangle ONB, sine alpha, what is sine alpha? Perpendicular by hypotenuse P by H. So perpendicular means ON by hypotenuse hochi OB, that implied ON equal to P by OB. So P equal to, sorry, OB equal to, हमको OB डालने पड़ेगा, OB equal to P by sin alpha, P by sin alpha. So putting the value of OA and OB in equation 1, put OA, putting the value of OA and OB in equation 1, that implied x by OA means P by cos alpha plus y by OB means P p by sin alpha equal to 1. That implied x cos alpha by p plus y sin alpha by p equal to 1. That implied x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, and this is known as required equation of the line in the normal form. Okay, do you understand what is equation of the line in normal form, whose perpendicular distance is p and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x axis is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Okay, now we take an example. Find the equation of a line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 3 and perpendicular is inclined at 120 degree with x axis with positive direction x axis, positive direction of x axis. Okay, so the perpendicular is inclined at angle 120 degree, means here alpha equal to 120 degree, and the perpendicular distance from origin is 3. That means here p equal to 3 and alpha equal to 120 degree. So the equation of line is equation of line. In such case you must use normal form of the line, because perpendicular distance is given and the perpendicular is its inclination is given also. So equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, that is x cos alpha. So x cos alpha 120 degree plus y sin 120 degree equal to p. So p equal to 3. That implied, you know, x into cos 120 degree, cos 120 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus y into sin 120 equal to root 3 by 2 equal to 3. Okay, so minus x plus root 3y equal to 6. That implied x minus root 3y plus 6 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line. Okay. Next, the another form of equation of the line also, that is the parametric form. Okay. So what is the parametric form? Parametric form, okay, find the equation of a line passing through x1 y1, parametric form. Find equation of line passing through x1 y1 and makes an angle theta with positive direction of x axis, is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r, where r is the distance, from any point on the line, any point on the line to the given point, तेणु लाइन ऊपर जेकोसी पॉइंट रु गिवन पॉइंट डिस्टेंस होची r, then its equation is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. Now it prove it. Okay, this is the coordinate axis, you know coordinate axis, x o x dash, and this is y o y dash. Now we extend this power line, the x o x dash, this is the equation of the line, required equation of the line. Find this point passing through the point capital A of x1 y1 with a given point, this point A of x1 comma y1, this is the given point, and this line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x axis. Okay, so we find its equation, means you take any point on the line, let p of x comma y be any point on the line. Okay, any point on the line. So first we draw this perpendicular line from the point A on the x axis. Another point draw karo, it is C and D. Okay, so or you take this point is x1, it is right side and point easy of calculation. Okay, now this is coordinate axis, here x o x dash, and this is y o y dash line. This line passing through the point capital A of x1 y1, and this line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x axis. We take any point right side, a point right side new in a point p of x comma y, x comma y be the any point on the line. मो पॉइंटा राइट साइड नेली लेफ्ट साइड नेले भी हम कैलकुलेशन इजी पे हमें राइट साइड में नेउछि हला. अच्छा, ए पॉइंट रु लाइन ड्रॉ करो परपेंडिकुलर, ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट p on the x axis. You draw another perpendicular line, suppose this point is m, and also foot of the perpendicular on x axis drawn from the point A, and now the put the perpendicular on x axis drawn from the point P. So a point of coordinate of x1 y1 means this distance is x1, ଆଉ a distance ଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ x ହେବ ହେଲା. So this distance is y, ଏତିକି ହେଉଛି ତୁମର y1 ହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି y, ଏଇଠୁ perpendicular draw କର ଗୋଟେ r. So the distance is x, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି x1, so this one is x minus x1, so ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ହେବ x minus x1, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ତୁମର y, this one is y, and this is y1, so this distance is y minus y1. So this angle theta means this line is parallel to x axis, so this angle is also theta, एटा भी theta हबो. Okay, so in that triangle PAPR, in the right hand triangle APR, in the right hand triangle APR, this angle is theta. So this side is perpendicular, this one is hypotenuse, and this is base. So P point A to P distance is R, so here AP equal to R. Okay, here AP equal to R, AP equal to R, AR equal to x minus x1, and PR equal to y minus y1. So in the right hand triangle, what is sin theta? So sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular means PR, hypotenuse means AP. Okay, so PR by AP. तो पी आर मीन्स y minus y1, तो AP means R, and what will be cos theta? तो cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse, तो base equal to AR, नहीं कि AR by hypotenuse AP, and AR means x minus x1 by AP means R, okay, that implied R sin theta. So sin theta equal to x minus y1 by R. So R equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. Here R equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. So R equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, R equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. Therefore, x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to R. This is required equation of the line. Okay. Passing through the point x1, y1 and makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. X minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to R. So, what is the coordinate of the any point on the line? The coordinate of any point on the line here x minus now x minus x1 equal to what? R cos theta, comma y minus y1 equal to R sin theta. So what is x? So x equal to x1 plus R cos theta, and y equal to y1 minus y1 plus R sin theta. So x1 plus R cos theta, comma y1 plus R sin theta be the coordinate of any point on the line, whereas P situated at right side on the point P. Jetholo P point given point right roibo, then the coordinate of the point P will be x1 plus R cos theta plus y1 plus R sin theta. If P lies left to the given point, so the P point arrow left roibo, so the distance ta kon hobo x equal to what? x1 minus R cos theta and y equal to y1 minus R sin theta. Do you understand? P point arrow right side roibo, tebe P point coordinate hobo x1 plus R cos theta, y1 plus R sin theta. So the P point A point left roibo means it kon hobo, so x1 minus R cos theta, okay, y equal to y1 minus R sin theta. Okay. So if P lies below to the point left side रे हमें point रहइबो, एटा होची P point, एटा capital A point x1, y1, एटा होची P point x, y रहिला नै कि. सो एटा हमें ड्रा करिया परपेंडिकुलर, एटा ड्रा करो, एडु या प्रति ड्रा करो. So this is x, एटा होची x हला, एटा होची कोन होची x1 हला, and so this distance is x1 minus x. Okay, so this distance is y, एटा होची y1, so एटा होची तमर कोन y1 minus y. So here we get x1 minus x by cos theta equal to y1 minus y by sin theta equal to R. That means x minus x1 by minus cos theta equal to y minus y1 by minus sin theta equal to R hela. तो ये कौन होगा x minus x1 equal to minus R cos theta, y minus y1 equal to minus R sin theta. That means x equal to x1 minus R cos theta and y equal to y1 minus R sin theta. Okay. So in this way you have to find the coordinate of a point, any point on the line. If P lies right side on the point, it will be plus, and if P lies left to the given point, then it will be minus. Okay. One question: find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the point 1, 2 such that its point of intersection with the line x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 is at a distance root over 2 by 3 from this point. Okay. Here one line is given x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. देखो ए लाइन टा कौन अच्छी x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 means you know x plus y equal to 4, that is x by 4 plus y by 4 equal to 1. So this is the intercept form of the line whose x intercept is 4 and y intercept equal to 4. First we draw the coordinate axis x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. This is equation of the line whose equation x plus y equal to 4. A line equation होचे x plus y equal to 4 जार के x intercept 4 and y intercept equal to 4 है ना. One point is also given 1,2. देखो ए point है जो लाइन इक्वेशन हमें पकेवा what we get 1 plus 2 minus 4 equal to कौन होचे -3. That means if we get a negative then this point must be lies below to the line. If it will be positive then this point lie above the line. एटा हमें डिस्कशन करिया ए पॉइंट ए इक्वेशन रे पकेले कोन होची नेगेटिव होची नेगेटिव हेबा जोगु ए पॉइंट लाइन टू बिलो रहइबो हला. सो दिस पॉइंट इज कैपिटल ए 1,2 ये द गिवन पॉइंट. वर्तमान कोन करिया हमें ए पॉइंट रु ना नहीं लाइन रे ड्रॉ करो जो लाइन टा की ए गिवन लाइन को इंटरसेप्ट करछि ताको ए पॉइंट इंटरसेप्ट कला. इंटरसेप्ट कला पर एटा को तमे एक्सटेंशन कर दियो हला. सो ए लाइन टा एक्सिस सहित केते एंगल करछि थीटा. सो वी फाइंड द डायरेक्शन. वी फाइंड द डायरेक्शन मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन. एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन विथ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस हला. सो थीटा टा हमको बाहर करिया पड़ियो. देखो तो लाइन टा ड्रॉ करछे ए लाइन टा ए गिवन लाइन रे ए पॉइंट इंटरसेक्ट करछे. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज पी. ओके इंटरसेप्ट कला परे जो पॉइंट इंटरसेप्ट करछि तार डिस्टेंस होछि केते रूट ओवर 2/3. तो यार डिस्टेंस होछि 2/3 रो रूट ओवर मींस इट होछि डिस्टेंस टा जणा. सपोज यू टेक एनी पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन. एनी पॉइंट कोन हबो x हला. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन passing through the point x1 y1 and makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis and the distance is r. The distance is r. Okay. So here r equal to root over 2/3 and this point x1 comma y1 equal to 1,2. Now answer. Here x1 comma y1 equal to 1,2 and the distance from A to P, that is r equal to root over 2/3. You know theta is the angle of inclination. Okay. So equation of the line is x minus x1 by cos theta. X minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. Let equation of the line, let or equation of line is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. That implied x minus x1, so x1 means 1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 means 2 by sin theta equal to r equal to 2/3. तो x equal to root over 2/3 cos theta plus 1 and y equal to root over 2/3 sin theta plus 2. Okay, this is the any point on the line and this point P lies on the given line. So putting the value of x and y, putting this value of x and y in the line in equation of given line in x plus y equal to 4, that is root over 2/3 cos theta plus 1 plus root over 2/3 sin theta plus 2 equal to 4. That implied that implied root 2 by 3 cos theta plus root over 2 by 3 sin theta, 1 plus 2 3, so 3 equal to 4, that implied root 2 by 3 cos theta plus 2 by 3 sin theta equal to 1 hella. Okay, so take it common, root 2 by 3 common. Okay, take it common, root 3 by 2 by root 3 common, that implied cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta equal to root over 3 by 2, and you know cos theta plus sin theta equal to, that is which is of the form a sin x, which is of the form a sin x plus b cos x, and you know its a single form is r into sin of x plus theta. So theta means tan inverse b by a, the coefficient of sin is a and the coefficient of cos is b. So r means root over a square plus b square. So sin ro coefficient hochi 1, cos ro coefficient hochi 1, तार तो एडी a होची 1 b होची 1, r means root over a square plus b square. So 2r into, that is r into sin of theta plus alpha. You know alpha means tan inverse b by a equal to root 3 by 2. So r means root 2. So root 2 into sin theta means alpha. Alpha means tan inverse b by a. Okay. So the coefficient of sin hochi 1, coefficient of sin hochi 1. So a hochi 1, b hochi 1. So tan inverse b by a means tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. So pi by 4, or you can write 45 degree. 45 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So root 2 into sin theta plus 45 degree equal to root 3 by 2. That implied sin theta plus 45 degree equal to root 3 by 2, because root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means, so theta plus 45 degree equal to what? 60 degree. Or theta plus 45 degree equal to 120 degree. So theta equal to, you get 15 degree, or theta equal to 75 degree. Therefore the direction equal to 15 degree or 75 degree. Okay. General form of equation of a line. So from the above 5 different form of equation of a line, we clear that is first we see that equation of the line in slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus c, where c is the y intercept and m is the slope of the line, and the slope point form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. 2 point form y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here p is constant and alpha is the inclination of the perpendicular. So these 5 different form of equation of line, we see that in that equation contains 2 variable, one is x and y having degree 1. Okay. So first degree equation contains 2 variable represent equation of the line. That means every first degree equation contains 2 variable x and y is represent equation of the line, and its general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, where a, b, c are constant. A and b not 0 simultaneously. Okay, these are the a, b, c are constant, but a and b not equal to 0 simultaneously. Okay. So what is the general form of the equation of the line? Ax plus by equal to 0. Now we write these things. From the above five different form of equation of line, five different form of equation of line. We clear that every first degree equation contains two variables x and y represent equation of line and its general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, where a, b, c are constant. Now we convert the general equation of the line into different form. Convert general equation into different form. Okay, convert general equation of line into different form. Number one, first होची slope intercept form. Okay, the general equation of the line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You know the slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, means we have to convert this equation into slope intercept form. That implied by equal to minus ax minus c, that implied y equal to minus a by b into x plus minus c by b, which is of the form y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line. Here m equal to minus a by b, which is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Okay, so how can you get the slope of the line from general form? So general form slope equal to minus a by b, that means minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, ratio of coefficient of x and coefficient of y, and take its negative sign. And y intercept mx plus c, this is the y intercept. So y intercept equal to minus c by b. You know, for y intercept by putting x equal to 0, so x टाକୁ जदि हमें 0 करिबा 0 एटा by plus c equal to 0, that means y equal to minus c by b. Okay, so in general equation of a line, the slope will be minus a by b. Okay, and the y intercept is minus c by b. Next, number 2, intercept form. You know the equation of the line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So ax plus by equal to minus c. You know this intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That implied ax by minus c plus by by minus c equal to 1, which is x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b minus c by b, okay, minus c by b equal to 1, which is of the form x by x intercept plus y by y intercept equal to 1. So here the x intercept equal to minus c by b, which is equal to minus constant term by the coefficient of x, and y intercept equal to minus c by b, that is minus constant term by the coefficient of y. So in the general equation of the line, how can you get the intercept, x intercept and y intercept? So the x intercept is a constant term by coefficient of x, take its negative value, and the y intercept is a constant term by the coefficient of y and take its negative value. Or by x intercept, you know, in x intercept y, in that coordinate y must be 0, the y coordinate is 0, or by putting y equal to 0 you will get x intercept, and for y intercept by putting x equal to 0. तेणु x intercept पाए गले y टाक 0 करदेव, y intercept पाए गले x टाक 0 कले you will get y intercept. Okay. Next, the normal form. How can you convert the general equation of line into normal form? Normal form. Okay. You know the general equation of the line. General equation of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Suppose the general form is, normal form. Suppose you know the normal form, its normal form. Suppose its normal form, okay, its normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0, because you know the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Suppose its normal form is general equation अच्छी है ना, यार normal form होची x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0. So this is the general equation of line, and it is the normal form of general form. So these two lines must be identical. ना नहीं, दीटा का line कौन होगा? Identical. So equation 1, equation 1, let it be equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 are identical. Identical means you know the coefficient of x of the first line by the coefficient of x of the second line is equal to coefficient of y of the second line by coefficient of y of the second line. That means a by cos alpha equal to b by sin alpha and the constant term c by minus p, okay, and which is equal to a by cos alpha equal to b by sin alpha equal to minus c by p equal to, the fourth ratio will be root over a square plus b square by sin cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, okay, and cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1 also, which is equal to root over a square plus b square by 1, okay. That implied cos alpha equal to what? So cos alpha equal to a by cos alpha, so a by cos alpha equal to b by sin alpha equal to root over a square b square. That means a by cos alpha equal to root over a square plus b square, okay. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. That means you have to take plus or minus also, because root 1 equal to, so root 1 equal to, you know, plus 1 or minus 1. That means we take the plus or minus. So cos alpha equal to a by plus or minus root over a square plus b square, and sin alpha equal to b by root over plus or minus a square plus b square, and p equal to, so p equal to here minus c by p equal this one, so p equal to what? Now minus c by root over a square plus b square, a square plus or minus root over a square plus b square. So putting the value of cos alpha, sin alpha and p in equation 2, putting the value of cos alpha, sin alpha and p in equation 2, we get, so x into cos alpha means, so plus or minus a by root over a square plus b square into x plus or minus by root over a square plus b square equal to minus p equal to 0 equal to p, so p equal to minus c by root over plus or minus a square plus b square. So this is known as a normal form of equation of the line of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A normal form means the right side must be perpendicular distance, so perpendicular distance never be negative. That's why if c is positive, then what happen? If c is positive, then the right side must be negative value, right side negative value. Okay, देखो जो सीटा पॉजिटिव होइतिबो तो पॉजिटिव इंटू नेगेटिव कौन हम नेगेटिव हम राइट साइडटा तुम नेगेटिव आसला तो राइट साइड टर्म इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस सिंस द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस नेवर बी नेगेटिव सो द नॉर्मल फॉर्म विल बी है ना द नॉर्मल फॉर्म विल बी टेकिंग माइनस साइन विल बी टेकिंग माइनस साइन ओके तेणु जो सीटा पॉजिटिव होइतिबो सीटा पॉजिटिव हेले तुम राइट साइड टर्मटा कौन होगा नेगेटिव होगा तो नेगेटिव हेले ये जो प्लस और माइनस अच्छे तो माइनस साइनटा नेबा पड़ो ओके तो माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करियो मीन्स टेकिंग माइनस दैट इज द माइनस ए बाय रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर एटा माइनस बी वाई बाय रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ये कौन हो एटा माइनस है माइनस माइनस प्लस हम ना नहीं अच्छा सो इफ सी इज नेगेटिव देन टेक नेगेटिव वैल्यू देन टेक नेगेटिव साइन तुम एटा नेगेटिव साइन नब कहीं नेगेटिव नेले ए नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कैंसल हम है टेक नेगेटिव साइन और इफ c is negative then it will be the right side term is positive so एटा positive हेले तुम ए वैल्यू कौन हम प्लस साइन आ पड़ो if c is negative then take positive sign okay so this is the normal form of the line जेतल तुम सीटा नेगेटिव थिबो सीटा नेगेटिव हेले एटा कौन नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हेला तो यहाँ पॉजिटिव है मीन्स यहाँ तुम प्लस वैल्यू नब जदि सीटा पॉजिटिव थी सीटा पॉजिटिव हेल्ले यहाँ कौन हो नेगेटिव है तो यहाँ नेगेटिव हेल्ले यू विल टेक माइनस साइन ओके एंड दिस इज द नॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ द लाइन ओके डू यू अंडरस्टैंड देखो ये प्लस और माइनस सपोज प्लस और माइनस कैंसल है माइनस सी रहा जदि सी रैल्यूटा नेगेटिव हम सी रैल्यूटा नेगेटिव हम बोले यहाँ कौन हो नेगेटिव हेल्ले नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव है सो यहाँ पॉजिटिव हेल्ले तुम कौन कर प्लस साइनटा नब जमी रही है इफ सी इज नेगेटिव सॉरी इफ सी इज पॉजिटिव जदि सीटा पॉजिटिव थी पॉजिटिव इंटू नेगेटिव कौन हम नेगेटिव है तो यहाँ जेहतु राइट साइड टर्म नेगेटिव है राइट साइड टर्म नेवर भी नेगेटिव कहीं डिस्टेंस नेवर भी नेगेटिव सो ये कौन कर माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई कर यू टेक माइनस ऑन बोथ साइड तेणु सीटा पॉजिटिव थिले तुम से माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करा पड़ो जदि सीटा नेगेटिव अच्छी किसी मल्टीप्लाई करा दरकार ना डायरेक्ट पॉजिटिव साइनटा कंसीडर करावा नेक्स्ट तो reduce the equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0 into slope intercept form and third one is normal form. Answer. Number 1, first we convert to slope intercept form. देखो the equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. This is the general form. This equation is the general form. Okay. So 3x plus 10 equal to 4y, that implied 4y equal to 3x plus 10, so y equal to 3 by 4 into x plus 10 by 4, which is of the form y equal to mx plus c, and this is known as slope intercept form. Here m equal to 3 by 4 and y intercept, that is c equal to 10 by 4. Okay. Number 1. Number 2, intercept form. So how to convert to intercept form? First you have to write the given equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. So 3x minus 4y equal to 10. Then 3x intercept form means x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. That is 3x by 10, right side हम 1 करिया पड़ियो, minus 4y by 10 equal to 1. That implied x by 10 by 3 plus y by minus 10 by 4 equal to 1. Okay. So which is intercept form, which is intercept form. Here x intercept 10 by 3, x intercept equal to 10 by 3, and y intercept equal to 10 by 4. Okay. Now normal form. Third one is normal form. First you have to write the equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. So how to convert to the normal form? First you have to take the constant term on right side. So 3x minus 4y equal to minus 10. In the right side term, it must mention perpendicular distance. Since the perpendicular distance never be negative, so first we make the right side term is positive. If it will be negative, देखो ये राइट साइड टर्म ना गला पर नेगेटिव होची ना आपको पॉजिटिव करिया पड़ियो तो कौन कले पॉजिटिव हो ना माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करियो ना मल्टीप्लाई माइनस नेगेटिव साइन ऑन बोथ साइड तेणु कांस्टेंट टर्म ना गला पर जदि नेगेटिव रोची माने तुम माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करी पॉजिटिव करियो सो एटा केते होची -3x + 4y = 10 देन डिवाइड करियो रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर तो डिवाइड करा हबो रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर हियर डिवाइड रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर which is equal to a स्क्वायर मीन्स एटा -3 रो स्क्वायर ये 9 + 4 स्क्वायर 16 तो 25 तो रूट 25 = 5 तो 5 रे हम डिवाइड करिया तो -3/5 * x plus 4/5 into y equal to 10. 10/5 which is called the normal form, that is the x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here p is the perpendicular distance. Here 10/5 equal to 2. That means perpendicular distance from origin to the line equal to c by root over a square plus b square. You write this thing, one note. After conversion the normal form that is plus or minus a by root over a square plus b square plus or minus b by root over a square plus b square into y equal to minus c by plus or minus root over a square plus b square. So minus c by root of a square plus b square is always represent perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance from origin to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is constant term is c by root of a square plus b square. If its value is negative, then take its modulus value to make positive because distance never be negative. Then origin to line प्रति distance कौन ना constant term by root of a x रो coefficient square plus y रो coefficient square है. So in this way you have to convert general equation of line into slope intercept form and normal form. Okay, so remember how to convert the normal form. First you have to take the constant term on right side. After taking the right side term is negative, then you must make positive by taking negative sign on both side multiplying करियो. जदि राइट साइड नेला पर जदि पॉजिटिव अच्छे किछ करिया दरकार नहीं ना नहीं तो तापरे पॉजिटिव अच्छी मीन्स डायरेक्ट तुम डिवाइड कर दबो रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ साइड. So in this way you have to convert conversion. Okay, so in next class we will discuss some other problem using this concept and how to find a point of intersection and what is the angle between two lines and what are the conditions for three lines are concurrent. Okay, thank you.